triple time step tap dance move technique. That's what we're going to cover. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. Now, typically our triple time step or buck triple time step goes like this: 8, a 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8. But one of the common problems I hear is the transition from the hop into the shuffle getting compressed by an early shuffle. And that's going to look and sound like this. You can hear it kind of get stilted and jilted when I'm going from the hop and the shuffle. That's because the shuffle's too soon. In order to fix that, there's a relatively easy strategy. All you're going to do is lift the foot that's going to do the shuffle a little bit higher before it shuffles. You don't need to lift it much, maybe an inch or two, just enough so that that shuffle sound starts a little bit later. I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to do 2 of the time steps badly where the shuffle's too early, and then I'm going to do 2 where I'm using that technique of lifting my foot. Now, I'm going to exaggerate the lift just so you can see exactly where and when I'm doing it, but you won't need to lift that high, all right? So 2 bad and 2 good. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. All right, so now I exaggerated the lift, as I mentioned, but you could see and hear a massive difference between the 2, with the second 2 sounding much better. So that's one common problem and how to fix it. The other common problem is people rushing the transition from the end of one time step, a step, into the stomp of the next one. And that's going to sound like this. Right? They get excited and they want to start that next time step a little bit too soon. So the first thing is they just need to calm down and relax a little bit. The second thing they can do is lift up the foot that's about to do the stomp. Just lift it up a little bit more before it comes down. So that's going to look like this. I'm here, I'm relaxed, up, down, right? So I'm going up, down. Just a little bit of a lift. Not a much. You don't want too much. Just a little bit of lift before that stomp happens. And that's going to fix that triple time step problem when the end of one is compressing into the beginning of another. So now let's take that triple time step and put it into a practice exercise combination, because that's how we're actually going to use it, right? We're not going to actually just do like 40 triple time steps in a row. We'll mix it with some other steps. So let's do that right now. We're going to start with 2 triple time steps, starting on count 8 with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8. And I'm going to add an extra stamp there at the end. So let's do that again. 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5 and a 6, a 7, a 8. And if you want to keep going with this practice exercise combination, click right here, and you can.